Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to identify songs playing nearby on your Android device. So whether you have a Samsung Galaxy phone or a Google Pixel, it will work in today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and then select the setting gear button. Go ahead and select that and then go down and select sound and vibration. Scroll down again where it says now playing, identify songs playing nearby. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable this option, you just would toggle this to the on position. And that's all you have to do. Again, toggle it on or off depending on your preference. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. You do have to have your microphone settings turned on and enabled in order to actually have this set up. If your permissions are disabled for your microphone access, you're not going to be able to access that. So just keep that in mind. You do have to have permissions for that. But pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.